It's really solid, and it is the Bond Anniversaire. It's a beautiful name. This special. Hello, Mama Vic. How are you? Thanks so much for tuning in. Happy Tuesday and happy Valentine. And it's not dripping, it's not running at all. So I really enjoying it because it's so easy to work with. So I'm gonna stick them together. And especially with this, you will never go wrong with this. Remember, so when you're doing it, the gel polish from a bottle, you have to really like make sure you be careful. And you're gonna apply it right in the middle first, and then you go in the on the side. But this doesn't matter. You can do however you want. And accidentally I hit on this next nails. Take it off quick. All right. Pop here. And then we're gonna add in a second coat. I know, so I just want to show you all the colors, but when we're done with 2 coat, it's gonna be like this. But I want to swatching it with you so they can see how beautiful the colors. And it is come in the this coming up, well, which is it is still February, but we are having March sub box already. So I'm adding a second coat on. And this just depends on the length of the client's nail. So if you need more, you can absolutely add more. There's 4 beautiful colors. I can't wait. I feel like it's cool to doing swatching. Sure to keep it parallel, so then you can able to get a really nice floss. And then we're moving on the next colors here first.